Plant FAQs, Celtis reticulata, Netleaf hackberry. Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the Netleaf hackberry, Celtis reticulata. This resilient tree, native to North America's southwest, is a conversation starter in any landscape. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious homeowner, I'm here to answer your questions about this unique species. What's the Netleaf hackberry like? The Netleaf hackberry is a deciduous tree, meaning it sheds its leaves each fall. It can reach heights of 30 feet, with a wide-spreading canopy that provides excellent shade. Its bark is a grayish-brown, developing interesting checkered ridges as it matures. The real showstopper, however, is the foliage. True to its name, the Netleaf hackberry boasts a net-like vein pattern on its bright green, oval-shaped leaves. These leaves are smaller than its cousin, the common hackberry, Celtis occidentalis, adding a finer texture to the landscape. Is Celtis reticulata to grow? Absolutely. The Netleaf hackberry is a champion of adaptability. It thrives in a variety of soil conditions, from sandy to loamy, as long as it's well-drained. It tolerates both full sun and partial shade, making it suitable for many yards. This drought-tolerant tree excels in hot, dry climates. Once established, it requires minimal watering, a welcome benefit for water-conscious gardeners. How does the Netleaf hackberry compare to other trees? While the common hackberry shares similar characteristics, the Netleaf hackberry offers a more delicate aesthetic. Its smaller leaves and finer branching create a lacier, airier feel. Compared to other drought-tolerant trees like mesquite, Prosopis glandulosa, the Netleaf hackberry provides a more welcoming shade with its broader canopy. It's also less likely to develop invasive root systems, making it a safer choice for planting near structures. What are the benefits of planting a Netleaf hackberry? The benefits of this versatile tree are numerous. Low maintenance. As mentioned earlier, the Netleaf hackberry requires minimal care. It's perfect for busy homeowners or those seeking a low-water landscape solution. Wildlife magnet. The small, orange fruit produced by the Netleaf hackberry attracts a variety of birds, adding life and movement to your yard. Shade provider. The wide canopy offers excellent shade during the hot summer months, making your outdoor space more enjoyable. Air quality improvement. Like all trees, the Netleaf hackberry helps improve air quality by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Are there any drawbacks to planting a Netleaf hackberry? While a fantastic tree for many landscapes, there are a few things to consider. Slow growth. The Netleaf hackberry is a slow-growing tree. Patience is key if you're looking for instant shade. Messy fruit. The small fruits can create some litter when they fall, requiring occasional cleanup. Susceptibility to pests. While generally pest-resistant, the Netleaf hackberry can be susceptible to certain insects like aphids and scales. How do I care for a Netleaf hackberry? Caring for your Netleaf hackberry is simple. Watering. Water deeply once a week during the first year, then gradually reduce watering as the tree matures. Established trees may only need occasional watering during extended dry periods. Pruning. Prune young trees lightly to encourage good branching structure. Mature trees require minimal pruning, but you can remove dead or crossing branches as needed. Fertilizing. Fertilizing is not necessary for established trees. However, you can give your young tree a boost with a balanced fertilizer in the spring. Where can I find a Netleaf hackberry? Many reputable nurseries and online plant retailers offer Netleaf hackberry saplings. Look for a healthy tree with a strong root system and vibrant green leaves. With its resilience, beauty, and ecological benefits, the Netleaf hackberry is a fantastic addition to any landscape. So, if you're seeking a low-maintenance tree that provides shade and attracts wildlife, consider this unique and underappreciated gem from the Southwest.